Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. In this video, we'll see about the fastest coder hackathon which is sponsored by Microsoft. So before we see about this hackathon, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all those links in description. Do check it out. And here is a small update regarding Coursera. So I hope you all know about Coursera. It's a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses from 275 plus leading universities and companies like Google, Meta, Amazon, IBM, Microsoft, Duke University, Stanford University, HEC Paris, Johns Hopkins. So a lot of top companies and universities around the world are offering online courses across different categories through this Coursera platform. So if you want to purchase any course in Coursera, instead of buying a single course, you can opt for Coursera Plus, because this will give you unlimited access to 7,000 plus world-class courses, hands-on projects, and you can also get job-ready certification programs offered by some big companies like Google. So if you are interested in this, just check out the link in description. So now let's move on and see about this fastest coder hackathon, which is sponsored by Microsoft Azure. So first, let me tell you about this hackathon. So there will be 5 different categories in this hackathon. You can choose any one based on your interest and you can just participate in it. And there will be a problem statement. You have to create a solution and you have to submit your code, and based on various parameters they'll decide the winner. And if you're wondering what are those 5 different categories, here they have mentioned the themes for this hackathon. So weather forecasting tool using Python, simple e-commerce inventory management system using Java, personal finance tracker using JavaScript, task management application using .NET, URL shortener service using Ruby. So these are the themes for this fastest coder hackathon. You can choose any one based out of your interest. And if you're wondering what is the date of this event, it is 24th of June 2023 from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. I guess the time given here is in IST, that is Indian Standard Time Zone. If you're outside of India, just convert this to your local time zone. And this is a virtual event, so anyone can participate in it because you can just participate online. So it doesn't matter where you live, you can just take part in this event and you can learn a lot of things. And you have 2 different ways to register for this fastest coder hackathon. You can register as an individual or else you can register as a team. If you're registering as a team, there can be maximum 4 members in a team. So just look into that. And here are the rewards for this hackathon program. So in each of the 5 categories which you saw, there will be one winner. They'll select the winner based on various different parameters, and the winner or the winning team will get 1 lakh rupees. If you register as a team, there will be 4 members and 1 lakh will be divided for 4 members. If you register as an individual, you'll get this 1 lakh rupees if you become the winner. And the runner-up from each of these categories will get a Microsoft swag bag. So these are the rewards for this particular hackathon program. And here they have given the complete schedule for this particular event. So before 23rd of June, you can just register for it. You can also participate in their quiz and become a part of their leaderboard. And you can also avail their free trial version of GitHub Copilot at no cost. So you can also get that. And by 23rd June, when the timer hits 000, they'll reveal the problem statement. And by 24th of June, you have to be ready with your solution. You have to submit your code. So this is how this event is going to happen. And here they have given details about the judging criteria. So you can simply click on this no more button given here. So here is a detailed explanation about the various parameters which is going to be evaluated. So you can see here functionality and completeness, GitHub Copilot utilization, code quality and readability, user interface and user experience, error handling and validation. So all these counts for the winner selection. So just look into these things before you participate in this hackathon. And here they have given details about their jury members. If you want, you can also go through these things. And here they have given few things for you to prepare for this hackathon. There are 3-4 videos. You can just watch these videos and learn from it. And if you have any more questions, you can just go through this frequently asked questions section. 2 important things which I would like to cover here is, you do not need to pay for this hackathon. It's free to participate. You can see that here. Are there any fees to participate in the hackathon? No, there are no fees to participate in the hackathon. So it's absolutely free. If you're interested in these things, just participate in it. You can learn a lot of things. That's the benefit. And obviously, apart from that, you have some rewards as well. And the second question which I would like to show you here is, it's about the registration. So if you want to register as an individual, you can do that. If you want to register as a team, there can be only maximum of 4 individuals in a team. So look into that before registering for the hackathon. So if you want to participate in this fastest coder hackathon, just go through these questions, important things before you register for it. So now let's move on and see how you can register for this fastest coder hackathon event, which is sponsored by Microsoft. So click on the link in description and go through all the details. And once you come to this page, click on this register now button that you see here, and then you will be directed to a page like this. So select the event type here and give other details. If you are registering as an individual, you can simply fill out this form, give all your details, click on the submit button and register for the event. If you want to participate as a team, first select your team leader and give all the details regarding the team leader here, and then you can check this box to add participant. So you will get to add 2 more participants apart from participant 1, including the leader. There will be 4 members in the team. So you have to give all the details about the 4 members of the team, and then you can click on the submit button to register as a team for this fastest coder hackathon program. It's a very simple process, and once you're done with the registration, they'll send you an email which will contain all the details regarding this fastest coder hackathon, which is sponsored by Microsoft. And you can just follow those instructions from there on, and you can just participate in the event on mentioned date and time. I hope you'll find this useful. If you want to get more updates about online events like these, or if you want to get updates about online courses, do subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this.